Ever wished you had an assistant who does your busy work while you focus on what matters? Meet AI agents, the smart helpers making life easier in 2025. Stay with me and I'll walk you through just how simple it is to create your own AI agent with no programming required. AI agents are more than just bots or automations. They are like digital teammates that actually understand your goals, make choices, and use the smartest tool for the job. AI agents are everywhere, automating support, sorting messages, organizing schedules, and handling research. Businesses, creators, and even students are using them to save time and get more done. That's why everyone's talking about agentic AI right now. Old school automation is like following a recipe. Every step is planned, no room for change. Consider this classic email automation workflow. The email trigger watches for incoming emails. The email is filtered, checked for the domain to verify whether it's a valid email. Then the email is sent to the OpenAI prompt to summarize it, and it's finally stored in a Google Sheet. This approach works well for routine handling, but each step is fixed. The if-else logic can only be handled for some conditions. Now, if there are conditions where I need to handle more domains or if I need to process the email as per the urgency, I would need to add these conditions manually in the workflow. Now, let's look at a smarter AI agent workflow. Here, the input is a chat interface where the public puts in their question. We have an AI agent configured with an LLM chat model. In this case, we are using the Google Gemini chat model. You can use any LLM provider. Now set the agent's goal. Whenever a support question arrives, your mission is to provide the best answer. Reply directly if you know it, search wiki if needed, and if it's complex, escalate it to the Slack channel. In the node, enable the tools that you require, like in this case, sending an email, searching the Wikipedia, or posting a message to the Slack channel. Add a memory context to help the agent remember conversations. Do you see the difference? The AI agent chooses the best tool and plan for each situation, and it's not just marching down a preset path. This works thanks to the React framework, reasoning plus acting. The agent thinks about what's needed, picks the right action, then thinks again until your task is done. That's real intelligence in a workflow. With classic automation, you're locked in. With an AI agent, your digital helper can actually improvise. Want the best results? Give your agent a clear job, only connect the tools you trust, and try it out with different types of requests. Watch how it solves problems you didn't even plan for. As you just saw, anyone can build a smart AI agent that thinks, plans, and adapts, all without writing a single line of code. If you want to see more easy tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what job would you give your AI agent. Check the description for free templates and more resources.